a humble effort to depict some of the important events in the life of Jagadguru through dolls. Adi Shankaracharya is the flag bearer of Vedic Dharma and the greatest philosopher India has seen. As a child of 8 years old, he recited the Kanakadhara Stotra in praise of goddess Lakshmi, asking her to grace an old lady with wealth, and as she had given the only amla she had at home as bhiksha to him. As a devout son, he couldn't see the pain his mother was going through in getting water from a long distance. So he prayed to the Purna river, requesting her to change the course and flow closer to their village. She obliged and changed the course of her flow. He knew he knew that he was here on this earth with a mission and knew that taking sannyas and serving the world was the only way. His mother was reluctant to give him permission. One day, with the crocodile getting hold of his leg, he sought his mother's permission and she reluctantly obliged. After promising to be on her side at the time of her death, he travelled across the length and breadth of the country to unite diverse philosophies and beliefs into one through the anchor principle of Advaita Vedanta, the philosophy of the oneness of the soul, the unification of individual Atman, and the universal consciousness that is Brahman. He established the 4 mathas: the Jyotir Math in the north, the Puri Math in the east, the Sringeri Math in the south, and the Dwaraka Math in the west, as a foundation to bind us all spiritually and culturally. As he traveled to many places, many people became his followers. 4 of his well-known disciples are Sureshwaracharya, Padmapadacharya, Totakacharya, and Hastamlakacharya. He preached Vedanta and also preached them to focus on spiritual devotion and self-realization rather than worldly pursuits like wealth and knowledge, which are transient. Even till date, we know this through the famous Bhaja Govinda. Whatever the presence of Sanatana Dharma we can see in today's Bharat can be attributed to a large extent to his vision and efforts. In the short 32 years of lifespan, the impact he created in uniting the nation is unparalleled. We bow down and propitiate to the Jagat Guru and pray that the knowledge he gave us continues to enlighten us and the future generations to come. The Golu is a simple 7-step Golu with focus on evolution of life from lesser intellect souls to beyond intellect consciousness, moving upwards from animals, humans, gurus who have been guiding us, to the avatars who showed us the way of life, to the devatas whose energy pervades everywhere, to the ultimate Shakti which transcends mind, body and intellect. This Navaratri, we attempt to move towards the ultimate super consciousness and pray for the welfare of one and all. Namaskaram.